Hi everyone, this is Joseph from For Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case finally for my Motorola Razr Plus. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I finally picked up a case for my Motorola Razr Plus. Finally, a no-name company has made a case for this phone. Poetic was nice enough to send this out to me for a review. Yes, I've been having the Razr Plus phone for a few months now, and there's a bunch of other little case companies making cases for it. Those cases I didn't want to trust with my Razr Plus, but Poetic reached out to me and said, hey, we made one for the Razr Plus, so I said, go ahead and send it over to me. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? You know, how does everything fit? Does it come off? Does it use adhesive strips? You know, just do you get camera protection? Do you get covered display protection? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. You can pick up this case from Amazon and their website. I will have the links in the description. But let's get into it. Again, the flip cases are so small sometimes. Like the packaging is so small compared to a regular phone case. But this is their Spartan design. Bam. So it has a kickstand built in with the hinge protection too. So this thing should open. Yes, there you go. You have a little kickstand there. We'll test that out too. So you do have adhesive strips here. So I'm gonna peel that off, hopefully. And here's the back too. And you have adhesive strips here. So let me pull off the strips first. All right, so here's the case. You have a little Poetic logo there. And then the inside you have Spartan and you have military grade. I like the little felt thing here to protect your phone. But let's see how this bad boy works. Alright, nice and snug. Let's make sure it's on there good. So it's definitely on there good. I like that design though. Put this one on. It's going to go in the same way. It has that hinge protection you look for. You just want to make sure the case is on there. So do you get lip protection? Yes. Look how much too. So at the same time you get the camera protection too because it's there. It doesn't go around the camera, so it's all like that. That's a good design. The power button is open. You have volume rockers. You have the extra grip here too. Everything lines up. The microphone there, speaker, and then also the USB charging port. On this side you have more of the same grip. And then there's your hinge. The hinge has like this little felt thing to keep it from scratching. So when you open your case, you can see you have the power button there. You do have something to hold on here too. It's easy to get to the power button. The volume rockers are easy to press, nice and tactile. Man, you don't get any type of lip action on the inside though, but let's check out the kickstand too. So the kickstand, it feels sturdy though. And there you go. You can watch your favorite YouTuber if you want to. So far, I'm liking this case. Like I said, I'd probably be rocking this case a lot because this is the only case I would really use for. Now, like I said, a power button is good enough to get to because you have a little indentation there. So when you put your finger in there, or put your finger on the power button, you can get to it pretty well. Like I said, the volume rockers are nice. Man, so you don't have to worry about dropping your phone because it's there to protect it too. Now in the overall fit, let's see. Yeah, see, because you have to really pull. I'm pulling the adhesive strips off every time I do that. So sometimes you can ruin the adhesive strips if you do it too much. You don't want to do it too much. So the more you use this case too, the more adhesive strips get bonded and stay on there. So go ahead. This is the Spartan from Poetic. Shout out to them for actually making this case. You know, not a lot of case companies have done so. So hopefully this is the beginning. We get some more cases that I can review for y'all. But if you want to pick up this case, if you still have the Razr Plus, let me know in the comments. But if you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola Razr Plus. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at For's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.